Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Codes Nest. Today we are going to learn very interesting topic. So the focus of our topic is how to create logins in Scratch and write our first program, that is Hello World. So to do this we need to focus on two three things. We have to keep in mind that first of all, if our age is less than 13 years, we need a child Gmail account which is set up by a parent. And number two, what we need is we can go for other option also, that is a student account under teacher supervision. Teacher can create accounts for you. Now we'll see how to create Scratch account for ourselves. Let's start. So here we'll go to website scratch.mit.edu. MIT is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It's a world leading institute in coding and other. It is university. So now we will go here and press join Scratch. So join Scratch, we will have to create a username for us. Let's choose a username Codes Nest Mohali. Codes Nest Mohali, and let's create a password. We are showing to others. We should keep it. Uncheck this show password button, and we'll have it should be 6-digit password. Okay, so we'll press next. So it will ask which country do you live. I live in India, so I will press India. In whichever country you live, you can press according to. You can select that country and press next. Now it is asking when you were born. So I was born in December 1974. Because I am as a teacher, so we'll find out 1974 and select it, and we'll go next. So it is asking you your gender, female, male, non-binary, other, prefer not to say, whatever you want to select. Then press next. What is your email address? As I told you earlier, if your age is more than 13 years, you can set up your own Gmail account. If it is less, then you can still create Gmail account under parent supervision. So here you will have to add your Gmail account. I will add my Gmail account, that is info.codesnest@gmail.com. And then again we'll press create your account. He says yes, you are now logged in and you can start exploring and creating projects. Get started. So confirm your email to enable sharing. So this option is there. We will have to check our email. See, we have received an email from Scratch. We'll click here and it says to finish creating your account, click on the link below. So let's click on the confirm my account. So it says yes, welcome to Scratch. Okay, let's go. So we are logged into Codes Nest Mohali, right? So here we'll press. Now we are ready to start. Welcome. So it's a congratulations to all. So next, what we'll do, we'll press create to create our first project. If we do not want to create our own login, we can ask our teacher to provide student login. So what is the benefit of student login? That your teacher can monitor the progress at one place. If you are not connected to any teacher student group, you can create on your account on own, like I explained it. Otherwise teacher can create your account. Okay, now let's start. Now first of all we have to see we have so many areas, right? Left side there are some colorful circles which are written motion, look, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variable, my blocks. Then it is costume, sound, this is costume, this is sound. Okay, so similarly there is file, edit, tutorials, share, project file, and this is our login information. And now this is like we are able to see this cat. Now we will identify these areas, right? So what are these areas called? These are block palette. What is called block palette? Okay, so block palette means there are motion block, then is a looks block, then there is a sound blocks, then there are different blocks are there, right? So this all area is called as blocks palette. Okay, so one is there, then is a code. Whatever code we write here, suppose we want to write a code here, how we'll write? We say we'll, for example, say we drag this code here. We have written this code here. So and say from events we write for this is the example code, moves our cat sprite. So this area where we are writing our code is known as code area. Okay, now we'll discard that code. This area is called as code area. Now number 3 is this place where cat sprite is there. So this is cat sprite. So this area is known as stage. There is a green flag as well as red button, stop button. This is to go, run our program. Okay, so this is area known as stage. Now this fourth most important area, which is this one, where we are able to see this sprite block. This is sprite list. We can add number of sprites in this area. Okay, so now we will just have some focus on some more information. As we know, these are motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, event blocks, control blocks, sensing blocks, operator blocks, variable blocks, and my blocks. We can create our own blocks, and there are some extensions also available. Okay, so we'll discuss it in detail. So now what we are going to do? So there are 1-2 more options available here. Choose a backdrop, choose a sprite. Further, under this stage we are able to see the name of sprite, then this is direction, xy coordinates, size, and whether to show it or hide it. Okay, so to write our first program we will use this cat sprite. Okay, and we will write this program. First program everywhere in every language we write as hello world. So to write the hello world program we'll use looks block. Okay, so the looks block palette we will say choose hello world. So hello world, and when from events block, when green flag is clicked, it will say hello world. Let's see. Okay, it's working, right? So let's run once again. So when the green flag is clicked, it says hello world. Congratulations to all, you have written your first program in Scratch. Hello world.